Description: CMSD25540 Shaped Vehicle LEDs. 1. CMSD25540 Vehicle LED Description: The CMSD25540 Special Shaped LED Truck LED Kit is designed for vehicles requiring high visibility lighting. The kit consists of 87,835 SMD LEDs that provide reliable performance in terms of brightness and heat dissipation, ensuring safer driving conditions, especially at night. 2. Durability in all conditions. The CMSD25540 LED is made of aluminum PCB and PC LEDs with IP67 waterproof rating, making it waterproof, dustproof, and collision-proof. These features ensure reliable operation even in harsh weather conditions, providing long-lasting durability for a variety of uses. 3. Advanced flashing function. CMSD25540. When using the turn signal, the LED will flash in a streamlined manner, and when driving, the white light will be used as a daytime running light. 4. Effortless installation. The CMSD25540 lights feature a thin, user-friendly design for quick mounting. Included brackets and screws facilitate secure installation on grilles or bumpers. This lighting kit is compatible with 12 to 24-volt system, making it versatile for use on trucks, school buses, emergency vehicles, postal vans, snow plows, UTVs, and more. The result is enhanced visibility and improved roadside safety. 5. Power supply. PWM circuit design. Supports 12 VDC till the 24 VDC. LED configuration: 87 SMD 2835 LEDs. Appearance dimensions: 255mm long by 40mm wide. Wiring length: 200mm 20 to AWG wire. Installation specifications: screw hole spacing 165mm. Waterproof rating: IP67 certified. Features: synchronous flashing can be achieved by connecting two yellow wires in parallel. This lighting kit is designed to provide unparalleled performance and versatility to meet the needs of a variety of vehicle applications.